Listen carefully, because by the end of this video, the way you think about money will never be the same again. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the principles that helped me build wealth, principles I studied from some of the greatest entrepreneurs in the world. And once you understand them, staying poor becomes almost impossible. Now imagine this for a moment. Every unpaid bill, gone. That tight feeling in your chest at night, replaced with calm, uninterrupted sleep. You open your banking app and, for once, the numbers don't scare you. They reassure you that life is not a fantasy. It doesn't start with luck. It doesn't start with the economy. And it definitely doesn't start with a lottery ticket. It starts with the way you think and the actions you take the moment this video ends. Especially one step most people ignore. First, you must kill the bedtime story that money magically arrives while you wait. Wealth does not drift toward people who are idle. Money moves toward people already in motion. So look in the mirror and ask yourself, are you waiting for lightning, or are you ready to strike your own match? Picture the life you want so clearly that you can feel it. Speak to yourself as if the deal is already done, because words shape feelings. Feelings shape habits, and habits quietly drag income behind them. Nothing grows in soil that's never been touched. So plant a seed today, even if all you have is pocket change and borrowed tools. When someone else wins, don't let jealousy poison you. Watching another person succeed without acting is like standing at a buffet with your hands in your pockets. Opportunity is right there, but it only feeds those who reach for it. If a door opened for them, you can build your own. Now focus. One target, one direction. A mind scattered in 20 places is useless, bright, but powerless. Pull gossip out by the roots. Shut down endless scrolling. Keep only thoughts that pay rent in your head. Find work you can at least enjoy. And if your current job feels like wet cement around your ankles, start moving after hours. Experiment, explore, learn. Life is too short to trade your daylight for misery. Passion might not pay tomorrow, but it compounds faster than any interest rate on earth. Feed your mind more than your phone. 30 focused minutes with a book or a skill video will take you further than hours of scrolling. Reading is free mentorship from people who already figured it out. And remember, environment beats willpower. If everyone around you complains, find a new table. Sit where ideas circulate instead of excuses. Guard your time like gold. Finish the most important task first, then the next. Stack actions like bricks toward freedom. Live below your means. No exceptions. This is not deprivation. It's a vote for your future. Every dollar you save becomes an employee working for you, even while you sleep. Send those dollars into assets that send thank you notes back as dividends, interest, and cash flow. Setbacks will come. When they do, pause, breathe, adjust, and move forward. Time is the only resource you can never replace. So trade it wisely. Protect your health. A strong body fuels a focused mind. Celebrate wins quietly. Reinvest. Flow steadily, like a silent river toward the ocean. Obstacles are not dead ends. They are lessons. Teach what you learn. Creating value opens doors you didn't know existed. Use technology as a tool, not a trap. Create more than you consume. Write your goals by hand. Protect your credit. Borrow only for assets that pay you back. Guard your reputation, because trust accelerates every deal. Start small if you must. Help someone. Share knowledge. Volunteer value. Value is magnetic, and it always returns multiplied. Dream big, but keep one foot on solid math. 10 years will pass whether you act or drift. Measure what matters. Income, expenses, skills, contacts. What you measure, you master. Step into discomfort. Growth lives there, and money chases growth. Rest with intention. A short walk beats hours lost to mindless entertainment. Now take action. Within the next hour, do something real. Cancel a subscription. Track your net worth. Invest $10. Learn one sellable skill. Small actions repeated consistently melt mountains. I've seen it. A cashier tracked her spending and stopped wasting money on daily snacks. She invested the savings. 10 years later, those small choices became over $25,000. Another person fixed phones after work. Free tutorials, a cheap toolkit. Within a year, the side hustle replaced the job and created jobs for others. Kill into income. Build an emergency fund, even if it starts with a single bill. Negotiate. Create multiple income streams. Automate good habits. Protect your online image. Track energy, not just time. Practice gratitude. It sharpens vision. Turn idle minutes into a pocket-sized university. Audiobooks, tutorials, notes. And now the choice is yours. Wealth is not magic. It favors ordinary people who repeat simple actions with uncommon consistency. Promise yourself this. Think like a builder. Spend like a planner. Learn like a lifelong student. Knowledge unused is potential wasted. So close this video, stand up, and take one small money-building action right now. Action, even awkward, imperfect action, is the price of the life you want. And if you found value here, subscribe, like the video. Tell me in the comments what step you're taking today. I'll see you in the next one.